This is a presentation on project management of an information systems technology in a healthcare organization. The purpose of this particular project is to implement an electronic health record in a healthcare organization. The project itself is meant to add value to the organization by creating efficiency and better coordination through the various departments in the hospital. Providing health records electronically will hopefully reduce medical errors, improve quality, and reduce long-term costs of the organization. The following project was outlined using a project management software called Merlin. I was given a list of the major or high-level tasks that were assigned to a specific department in the healthcare organization. In addition, each major task had a list of corresponding subtasks. It was essential to pay attention to which tasks were predecessors for others, meaning which tasks needed to be completed before another task. The following slides show the flowcharts and lists of high-level and subtasks and indicate the length of time for each. This is the breakdown of work for this particular project. As you can see, each box indicates a specific department that will participate in the implementation of the electronic health record. The titles of the departments are at the top of the box in bolded font. These boxes indicate major or high-level tasks for the project. This flowchart of the project clearly shows the start and end point of the entire project. The first task will begin on February 23, 2009, and the final task will be completed on May 21, 2010. Therefore, it will take 1 year, 2 months, and 28 days for the project to be fully implemented in this healthcare organization. Now that you have seen the general flow and order of each project, here we have enlarged each high-level task so you can clearly see the titles and lengths of time for each major. Now here are the high-level tasks of laboratory and pharmacy. Here are the high-level tasks, radiology and imaging. And here's the final high-level task, nutrition and food services. Now we will look at the subtasks for each of the major tasks indicated previously. Here we see a list of the subtasks for patient information management, which are indicated by the red stars. The list also shows the length of time it will take for each of their subsequent subtasks. Keep in mind that this color code will be used as such throughout the presentation. This is the flowchart of the subtasks for patient information management. Again, the red stars indicate the subtasks and yellow stars indicate their subsequent tasks. Here is the list of subtasks for clinical information system and the flowchart of the primary subtasks. Here are the subtasks for the laboratory and the flowchart of the subtasks. Here's the list of subtasks for the pharmacy and the flowchart of the subtasks. Since the following high-level tasks have fewer subtasks, I will show an additional flowchart instead of the list. Here is one flowchart for the subtasks of radiology and the additional flowchart. Here is the first flowchart for imaging and the additional flowchart of the subtasks. Finally, here are the subtasks for nutrition and food services and the additional flowchart. I learned a lot from completing this exercise. I realized that project management relies heavily on the structure of its schedule and plan of implementation of a new aspect to an organization. The guidelines I was given indicated tasks, subtasks, the lengths of time for each, and any predecessors the task may have. The plan I developed strictly adhered to this given schedule. In order to complete this project effectively, it should follow the structure carefully in order to maximize the benefits and value to be achieved throughout this project. Additionally, I developed an appreciation for the complexity of project management. I was given all of the information needed to map out the time frame for the project. However, I couldn't help but think about the time it takes to create the guidelines I was given. It takes a lot of research and planning to understand the order of tasks and the length of time to complete each, while simultaneously making sure that all appropriate departments in the organization have been included. Also, it showed me that there were there will most likely be multiple departments involved in implementation of a new project in a healthcare organization, so many participants need to be considered. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you.